presenting fresh opportunities in 2024. Discover brand new typing jobs that can earn you $150 in just 3 hours of typing. No extraordinary skills required, just your device and a passion for typing. Stay with us as we walk you through the process of making money online with the latest typing jobs in 2024. Let's explore the realm of high-paying online typing tasks together. To kickstart your journey into this lucrative venture, your initial and crucial step involves visiting OpenAI.com. The fantastic news is that accessing the website comes at absolutely no cost. Once you arrive, the process begins with logging into their AI software, recognized as ChatGPT. If the concept of ChatGPT is unfamiliar to you, allow me to shed some light on it. It's a sophisticated AI software crafted to address your inquiries and perform a diverse array of tasks. For example, you can instruct it to generate a message or even task it with creating a concise blog post outlining the benefits of artificial intelligence. This results in creating a professionally written blog post, precisely tailored to your request. This eliminates the necessity for manual typing, allowing you to effortlessly copy and paste the content and subsequently monetize it on the 3 platforms I'm about to introduce. The versatility of ChatGPT goes beyond the creation of blog posts. You can pose inquiries on virtually any topic, whether you're curious about the most popular names in America or seeking information on specific categories. ChatGPT provides comprehensive responses to cater to your diverse interests. It provides information on top names for boys, girls, and more. This multifaceted capability lays the foundation for a distinctive approach to income generation. Now, let's explore the thrilling aspect of using this platform to boost your income. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT, you can turn its generated content into a lucrative source of earnings. The possibilities are extensive, ranging from creating blog posts and articles to generating valuable information on a wide array of subjects. The next step is to present these outcomes on the 3 platforms I'm about to disclose. Let's now move to the first platform in this journey of making money. Although it may not provide the highest payouts, it serves as an excellent starting point. This platform is known as Talent Desire. Upon exploring Talent Desire, you'll encounter a varied selection of listed jobs. These jobs offer earning possibilities that span from $1,500 per month to a daily potential ranging from $75 to $225. These positions encompass freelance blogging, language translation, proofreading, content writing, and various typing tasks that can be efficiently automated using artificial intelligence, akin to the demonstration we observed with ChatGPT. The appeal of aspiring for talent lies in its adaptability, enabling individuals to handle multiple jobs concurrently, with GPT managing the workload. For instance, on this platform, novice freelance bloggers can earn $25 per blog, while experienced bloggers receive $75 to $225 for their efforts. The prerequisites for the job are minimal, requiring a computer with a high-speed internet connection, basic knowledge of the internet, and proficiency in English. Eligibility criteria include being 16 years old or above, with no registration fee necessary. Hold your horses, have you found this video enjoyable thus far? If your response is affirmative, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Simply click the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay informed about our future uploads. Now, let's return to the video. To initiate your registration with Talent Desire, click on the Apply Now button located at the bottom of the website. Following that, select the online application form and proceed to input your personal details, including your first and last name, email, contact number, country, and zip code. Specify your desired job title as a freelance blogger. Choose All Day for optimal earning potential and opt for PayPal as your preferred payment method. Complete the form by affirming your acceptance of the privacy policy, providing your signature, and verifying the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Finally, click the red Submit button to conclude and submit your application. After submission, anticipate communication from Talent Desire, where they will assign you tasks. Remember to optimize your workload by utilizing ChatGPT. Now, let's delve into the next phase and explore an even more rewarding platform. Let's explore a compelling opportunity called Remote Tasks. This platform stands out by providing individuals with a significant weekly income of $600 for the crucial task of training AI chatbots. The procedure is pleasantly simple, with your main task being to input responses that contribute significantly to the training of AI chatbots. The questions you come across cover a variety of topics, spanning from your favorite coffee preferences to travel choices and beyond. Each of your responses plays a vital role in improving the conversational skills of the chatbot. The straightforward nature of the tasks makes them accessible to everyone, and in return, Remo Tasks generously compensates participants with payments ranging from $15 to $20 per hour, depending on their skill level and consistency. What distinguishes Remo Tasks is the flexibility it provides. You have the freedom to select your working hours, enabling you to effortlessly incorporate this income-generating activity into your schedule. This platform is an excellent option for individuals looking to earn money swiftly, particularly through brief writing and evaluation tasks that demand minimal effort. Essentially, Remo Tasks offer a straightforward and effective avenue for individuals to secure a consistent income. The simplicity of the tasks, combined with the flexibility of working hours, makes it an excellent entry point for those seeking to promptly initiate their earning journey. The opportunity to quickly earn income through concise writing and evaluation tasks makes Remo Tasks an appealing and user-friendly platform. It becomes an optimal selection for individuals prepared to initiate their earnings. So, do not hesitate to explore the simplicity and earning potential that Remo Tasks provides and commence your journey towards financial success. Now, let's shift our focus to our ultimate destination, the impressive platform known as Free Cash. What distinguishes Free Cash is its wide range of diverse offers, primarily presented in the form of basic surveys that value your opinions. The attractiveness of these surveys lies in their simplicity. They are crafted to collect insights on a variety of subjects. You have the option to either use ChatGPT for readily available opinions to copy and paste or articulate your own perspectives. For every survey completed, Free Cash provides compensation, presenting a multitude of survey opportunities, each with different payouts. Some surveys may offer $5, while others provide a more lucrative $10 reward. Even shorter surveys, lasting only 1 to 2 minutes, can earn you approximately 50 cents. The variety in survey lengths ensures that you have the freedom to select assignments that match your schedule and preferences. This abundance of choices offers ample opportunities to quickly accumulate earnings. While navigating through the Free Cash platform, you'll observe an abundance of surveys continually generating and populating. This results in a continuous stream of potential earnings. If you happen to exhaust the available surveys, a straightforward page refresh replenishes your options, enabling you to consistently participate in survey activities. When redeeming your well-earned rewards, Free Cash provides a range of convenient options. You can initiate the cash-out process by simply selecting the designated button. The available payment methods encompass popular choices like PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and several others. This ensures that you have the flexibility to choose a method that seamlessly aligns with your preferences. That concludes today's presentation. If you found value and enjoyed this video, kindly express your support by giving us a big thumbs up. Additionally, remember to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming content. Once again, this is Ideas from Chows. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to having you in our next video.